I often get asked for sweet recipes that are super easy to make. Today's recipe has only a handful of pantry staples and takes 5 minutes to whip up. I'm Christina from It Is a Keeper, and I share tried and true recipes that anyone can make. I believe if you can read, you can cook. Welcome to my kitchen. Have you ever been in a situation where you have unexpected guests coming but nothing on hand to serve them? Today I'm showing you how to make an incredibly easy chocolate chip dip that can be made in no time at all, and you probably already have the ingredients on hand. Make sure you stay tuned to the end to learn my go-to hack for softening butter. I use this trick all the time, and be sure to grab the full printable recipe in the video description below. Okay, so the first thing we need to do to make our chocolate chip dip is it starts with a cookie batter base, right? So we know this is gonna be awesome. Here I have 5 tablespoons of room temperature butter. Get in there. And we're gonna cream that together with some sugar. I like to use an electric mixer for this. Just gets the job done fast and easy. Okay, so we have the butter and the sugar combined. I'm gonna add a little bit of vanilla extract. I just love the smell of vanilla, so good. And we just wanna get this until it's combined. All right, that looks good. To this, we're going to add some all-purpose flour. So you see how this is basically like the base of cookies. We're gonna add a pinch of salt. Okay, and to this we're going to slowly drizzle in our milk until everything starts to come together. All right, that looks great. Now we're just going to scrape down the sides, make sure we have all of those dry ingredients fully incorporated from the bottom and the sides. Okay, this is looking perfect and no lumps, just like chocolate chip cookie dough. Now, we're going to add in, I like the mini chocolate chips for this because they're totally bite-sized. You can use whatever you have. I'm gonna save a little. And we're just going to fold those in. All right, and that's it, right? I don't even think that was 5 minutes. We got our dip in our bowl. I'm just gonna finish it with a couple more of those mini chocolate chips. It just adds a little something. Yeah, that is perfect. See, only 5 minutes start to finish. It really doesn't get any easier than that. Now, before we dig in, I want to share this awesome hack with you. You really need to use room temperature butter for this recipe. It won't combine correctly if the butter is too cold. Now, if you forgot to take your butter out of the fridge, don't worry. You can easily soften it by filling a large mug or glass bowl with boiling water or really hot tap water. Let the water sit for about 30 to 60 seconds, then dump it out and turn the container over to cover your butter. The residual heat from the container will soften the butter in a few minutes. Now, that's enough talk. I'm going in for a dip. Right here. I want a bit of that chocolate chip. My goodness. This chocolate chip dip is definitely a keeper. You won't believe something this delicious was so easy to make. There are so many great dip recipes out there. I have another super easy dip recipe that has only 2 ingredients and can be made in 5 minutes flat. You don't want to miss it. Check it out here. I'll see you there.